Hello everyone, hope you are all well. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very yummy and delicious recipe, chicken soupy noodles. It's not only very tasty, it's very healthy too. So let's see the ingredients. Preparing chicken soupy noodles. Here I keep 2 chicken breast pieces in a saucepan for boiling, and I'm adding some salt and some herbs like rosemary, and I will add some oregano. You can add any type of herbs like parsley and black pepper, whatever you have at your home, so it gives nice aroma in the chicken stock later, that which we will use in later for preparing the soup, chicken soup. So, and another saucepan I'll keep some noodles for boiling. So our chicken is almost ready, so we'll keep the stock and later we'll use it for the soup. And now in frying pan I'm adding oil, 2 to 3 spoon oil, and I'll fry some vegetables in it. So oil is ready now, and now I'll put some finely chopped ginger and garlic and some green chilies. So you can add chili according to your taste. These chilies are not too hot, it gives nice aroma to the soup, so that's why I'm using some green chilies. You can skip this also. And now we will add some carrots, fry it little, and now some bell pepper. Here I am using some green, red and orange bell pepper. You can use any other color. You can add more vegetables with it, like corn, yellow corn or green peas, whatever you have. So now I'll cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes all vegetables become very tender, and now I will add some salt, little salt, and some black pepper also. Here is our boiled chicken ready, and we'll use this chicken and cut into small pieces. So here is the chicken. We are adding the chicken with this vegetable now and mix it well, and we'll use the stock also later. So it's all vegetables are cooked nicely and become soft. And now we'll add the soya sauce, 2 to 3 spoons soya sauce, and some tomato sauce or whatever sauce you have, like sweet and sour sauce or plain tomato ketchup, whatever you have, you can add it. Mix everything nicely, and now we will add the chicken stock. If you don't have the chicken stock, you can add any plain water, or if you have vegetable stock, you can use that also. And now we will cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes it's all cooked, and now we'll just add the boiled noodles with it. So in case if you need more soup, you can add more water, and for that you need to add little warm water. So mix it well. It's ready now. If you want, you can add some sauce and some black pepper on top of it according to your taste, and otherwise it's ready. We just need to add some green onion on it just for garnishing, and it's all done, ready to serve. Here is my today's dish, chicken soupy noodles is ready and served. It's very yummy, healthy dish, and it's very delicious too. I serve it with some boiled egg. It makes it more healthy. So if you like this recipe, please try it at home, and do like, comments in my video, and if you like, if you can share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.